This is going to be a demonstration of my activity 2 for assignment number 5. This is the simplified consensus algorithms for like a library application, done completely from scratch. So these are kind of all my classes. Some of them I don't use and there's leftover extra, but kind of running out of time. One of the things I didn't complete was just cleaning up the code and making it look nice and removing unused methods and everything. But so far, this is what I got. So you're going to start by running it with Gradle Run Leader, which is going to start the server. The server is going to be kind of hosting all the information and handling the clients. So the first client, we're going to go ahead and log in there with Gradle Run Client Jeff. And you're going to see we kind of passed our port. We're just using default 880 for right now. But as soon as you connect, we get a welcome message, and we select an action. 1, borrow a book. 2, return a book. 3, view available books. And 4, exit. We also get a client connected from our server side. Let's go ahead and connect our second person, Stacy. So Stacy's going to connect. Same thing, Gradle Run Client with argument Stacy and 8080. Hello, Stacy. And just so we have two separate clients running at the same time, and then we get another client connected. In reality, we would love for it to show the actual name, but because this is run locally, we're just going to get that for right now. Alright, so we're going to just view available books, and you kind of will see a printed list of the available books just to show that it's the same. So we view available books, same thing. They're both seeing the exact same thing. So now let's say I want to borrow a book, and I want to borrow The Hobbit, right? So now it says from the server, you borrowed the book The Hobbit. The server shows that I'm borrowing the book The Hobbit. Like he said, this should say the name. Now, if Stacy were to go and try to borrow the book The Hobbit, she goes, The Hobbit, because she just displayed it. It should be right there, right? She just displayed it. So I try to take The Hobbit, and it says the requested book is not available. That's because I have a hash map that actually has the name and whether the book is there or not. So if we view available books from Stacy's account, it's not there. Alright, so let's say I'm done with my book. I want to return it. So I'm going to return it, and now I'm going to return The Hobbit. And notice I just have to type the title. So I return it. It says you have returned the book The Hobbit. The server says I returned the book The Hobbit. And now Stacy, if I want to, say if I'm Stacy and I hit view available books, hit 3, boom, The Hobbit's available. So now I can go borrow a book. Boom. You're now borrowing book Hobbit. Boom. Alright. And if I were to view it on my thing, on Jeff's, I don't see The Hobbit. So now Stacy has the book. Okay. And now we can exit. And we can exit. It doesn't crash leader. And that's basically it. So, yeah.